Hello and welcome friends. So in this video we are going to install a MongoDB Compass. So how to set up a MongoDB Compass and how to use it, I will show you everything. So you need to log in, you need to go on this link docs.mongodb.com and tools. So in that tools you will find multiple tools are there. So you need to click on MongoDB Compass. So it will open a documentation for you, like how to use MongoDB Compass and all. So just to go through this thing. Yeah, so here we are getting like download and install Compass. So just click on that. So if you are using on Windows, Mac OS, Debian, REHL, so just select on this, and so I'm working on Windows, so I will select Windows. So it will tell you the first requirement, like what it wants: 64-bit version of Windows 7 or later, MongoDB 3.0 or later. So like it should have the MongoDB before doing the install of Compass, and it requires .NET framework here for Windows. Okay, so just check all the requirement, and then we can start to install the Compass. So just click on download page, and it will open a link where we have the download link for that Compass. So just click on download. And it will start to download here. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so let me cancel it once. Okay, so after download this MongoDB Compass, so you need to click on install, and you need to follow the same thing, like a setup thing. Next, you need to say next everywhere, and after the installing on that, you will get GUI for MongoDB. So I have already installed it, and let me open this MongoDB Compass, and it's loading now. So here we are, and just you need to provide the hostname and port, and you can leave everything as a blank. That one, like SV, record, authentication, replica set name, everything you can keep everything you can keep as blank. And let me type localhost here, and default port number is 27017. Okay, so just say connect. So this is the GUI thing where we can get what all are the collection we have, what all are the database we have. So you can see here we have 5 database and we have 5 collection. And let me show you through the command prompt. So we will get the same thing in command prompt only. So you can use the MongoDB by command also, and you can use the MongoDB by this Compass. So if you have installed the MongoDB already, you just need to say Mongo. Okay, so here are multiple database. I will click on shopping, which I have created recently, and there we have one collection, OrderDB. I will just click on it, and it will give me the data in formatted way. Okay, let me show you this thing first. So here we are, and we are getting data in JSON format. You can see here. So like multiple customer we have, and one customer have the multiple product here, and one address only. So this is the one shopping application. I will share the link for that video as well here. So the customer name, like these are the one to many association with customer and product, and one-to-one association with customer and address. Okay, so let me show you with command prompt also. So you need to know some basic command. Show DBs. So we are getting 5 database. If I want to use shopping database, I need to say shopping here. Use shopping. Now you can say show collection. So we have only one collection in that, so it is showing me that order underscore DB. And let me show you that also. Show to DB dot collection. That will be collection name, will he come here. Order underscore DB dot, you need to say find here just. So we are getting the number of customer which we have added in the database, in that collection. Okay, so yeah, so you can see the database using command prompt also, and you can see the database using that Compass. So Compass is the same GUI format here. You can click on table also, and you will get data in table wise. So you can see here that JSON converted in the table. Okay, so like this you can install, and you can test your database and everything from here, like command prompt also, and you can use the Compass also. So I hope you I hope you got all the ideas about this Compass and how to install it, how to use it. Let me know if you have anything doubt and all. Comment it in comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.